In this video, I will show you how to change your email on Crypto.com. So to do this, go to open up the Crypto.com app, click on the three lines in the top left. From there, click on your name at the top, and then go to Account. Now here, click Personal Information. From there, you will see your details, including your email. So next to your email, click on the edit icon over on the right. Then enter your passcode. They will then send you an email to verify that it's actually you. So open up that email and it will look something like this. So just go and click confirm now in that email. And then it will open Crypto.com. So again, sign in with your passcode. And now here, enter your new email address that you want to use for logging into your Crypto.com account. Click continue, then verify that email address and confirm it. And you have then changed your email address on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.